Dad's in there taking a shit right now. He's about to get iced.
Well, at least it made room for it. Oh, ice your face, bitch. Cheers.
Got you good, fucker.
Did you hear me singing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot?
These boys are crazy.
Yeah, they are. I don't know. I didn't bring them up like that.
Hold on.
Oh my God, Matthew. Oh my God.
Oh, so cold.
How do you feel about your son getting iced?
I'm a little worried. Not really.
Hungry.
I'm hungry.